Hello guys, and welcome to another ProfileTree video. So in today's video we're going to be taking a look at how to accept a collaboration request on Instagram. So without further ado, we're going to go ahead and get started. So once you've actually made a reel or a post, what you want to do is go ahead and tag anyone that you want to collaborate with. So I'll put it up on screen now just to demonstrate. So you'll get a screen saying tag people. So just make sure you go to the share screen in order to see this, then go ahead and click tag people. Now with this next picture here, you'll see in the bottom right corner of the actual post, you'll see an option to invite a collaborator. So after tapping, search and choose the user you'd like to collaborate with. So once you've chosen your collaborator, share the post as usual, and the creator will receive a request in their DMs, and then the post will not appear until they've accepted your request. So that's pretty much how to do it. So there you have it guys, that is how to accept a collaboration request on Instagram. If you guys found the video helpful, please do leave a comment in the comment section below. But other than that, I'll see you guys for the next video. Thank you very much for watching.